If you want to learn Korean from scratch, here's what I recommend as a native speaker Korean and a high school Korean language teacher with a decade of experience. Step 1. Learn Hangul, but not just the Korean alphabet, consonants and vowels, but also the complex 받침, the major ones like resyllabification as well. That will make your particle rules so much easier. And I summarize everything with a nice flowchart and a phonological diagram like this on my Korean alphabet flashcards. Step 2. Get to know the speech styles in Korean. This is how I know if my year 1 or 2 or 3 students are using Google Translate or Papago or not. My Survival Korean flashcards, I go through the major speech styles with different greetings embedded in context like this. Step 3, get to know the basic sentence structures for Korean. And I summarize in like a sentence structure map, super useful if you get basic plus versions of my flashcards. Step 4, get to know the question words and how to really use them in Korean. Because most of the reason you're trying to learn Korean is to have conversation with people, and that begins by you knowing how to carry the conversation with question words. Basic plus versions of my flashcards. These question words lessons are also included along with the video lesson as well. Step 5, you gotta know how to narrate in all different tenses like present tense, past tense, future tense. Difficult part of conjugation in Korean, it really happens with present tense because if you really break it down, it's not just 3 different endings, but you could have 14 different variations. But I summarize it really nicely with the video and PowerPoint when you get basic plus versions of my flashcards.